Hello, children. How are you? Fine, good. It's summer season. To keep ourselves hydrated, we should drink water or take some natural drinks like lemonade. Now, I am going to tell you how to make lemonade. For this, we need a glass of water, pieces of lemon, sugar powder, salt and spoons. Let's start. Take a piece of lemon, squeeze it. Squeeze well. Now keep it here. Take another piece of lemon, squeeze it, squeeze well and keep it here. Add 2 spoons of sugar powder into water. Mix it well. Then keep the spoon here. Add very small quantity of salt. Mix it well. Your lemonade is ready. You can garnish it with a slice of lemon like this. Now you have to make lemonade and serve it to your family members. Thank you. Thank you very much.